Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to keep your digital life secure and simple. Today, we're diving into something super straightforward: how to change your Microsoft PIN on the website in 2025. Whether you're beefing up your security, recovering from a forgotten PIN, or just wanting a fresh start, this guide is perfect for you. It's quick, easy, and we'll walk through it step by step, so you can do it in under a minute. First things first, grab your device and open up your favorite web browser. Head over to the Microsoft account website by typing in account.microsoft.com. Once you're there, sign in with your current Microsoft email and password. Make sure you have two-factor authentication ready. If it's enabled, it'll keep things extra secure. After logging in, look for the Security or Account Settings section, usually found in the top menu or on your profile page. Click on that, and then navigate to Advanced Security Options or something similar. Microsoft might tweak the interface slightly by 2025, but it should be intuitive. Here, you'll find the PIN management area. Select Change PIN, and enter your current PIN for verification. Then, type in your new PIN. Aim for something strong, like a mix of numbers and letters to foil any hackers. Double-check your new PIN for accuracy, and hit Save or Confirm. Microsoft will likely send a verification code to your email or phone, so keep an eye out for that. Enter the code to finalize the change, and voila, you're all set. This whole process should take less than 2 minutes, keeping your account safer than ever. Remember, regularly updating your PIN is a smart habit to protect your personal data in our ever-evolving digital world. If you run into any issues, like forgotten passwords, Microsoft's Help Center has great resources. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more 2025 tech guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay secure, and we'll see you in the next video.